My name is Ken Dewick. I'm the project manager with Canada Lands for the development of River's Edge, a new project on Peach Avenue.
My name is Norm Hall. I'm with ArborTech Consulting and I'm working as project arborist for Canada Lands, and I'm assisting with vegetation management and tree preservation and protection.
River's Edge is a project adjacent to the Rotary Trail on Peach Avenue in Chilliwack. The City of Chilliwack has asked us to reinforce the bank adjacent to the Rotary Trail. We'll be doing that this summer for about 600 meters. The whole Rotary Trail is about 16 kilometers long. Our work will be adjacent to the Peach Road parking area, and we'll be closing the trail for a period of time and opening an alternate trail. We'll be diverting the traffic on the Rotary Trail to an alternate pathway because heavy construction equipment will be on the trail, placing the large new riprap and rocks. Some of the vegetation will be cleared from the top of the bank, and the work in the river can only be done between July 1st and September 15th. We expect the original trail to reopen sometime in mid to end of September.
As part of the construction needs, most of the trees along the interface between the Rotary Trail and the river will have to be removed. Rocks will be placed, and as part of that placement there will be eco-pockets with soil and vegetation, including shrubs and assorted other plants to soften the aesthetics of the bank. Between the bank and the Rotary Trail there will also be a soil zone, and that will be planted with shrubs and some other vegetation, including wildflowers.
In addition, Norm, we'll be adding 2 staircases down to the river to enhance safety and easy access for fishermen and other people to enjoy the lower part of the river more safely. Canada Lands will be dedicating 75 meters north of the Rotary Trail as an additional new park to the City of Chilliwack. The alternate trail that will start construction in mid-July will be part of that parkland and will be maintained as a secondary trail after construction is completed on the Rotary Trail as well.
That new trail, the alternate trail, will be constructed with similar materials, a crushed gravel surface, so that it's safe for the users of both pedestrians and cyclists. What is currently an overgrown blackberry zone will be turned into this new park, and part of that park renovation will include the removal of blackberries and the removal of dangerous trees to make that park much more accessible, amenable, and safer for the public.
The park will also be connected to River's Edge green streets. These are linear streets that have playgrounds and parks on it, and also access to a woodlot that is quite large and heavily forested. It will also be a new park for the City of Chilliwack. Yes, there will be disruption this summer as we rebuild parts of the banks of the Rotary Trail. However, it will enhance its safety and its ability to resist what can be a very fast-flowing Vedder River in flood, which as recently as 2006 washed out a big section of the bank.
And upon completion, the ecological, safety, and aesthetic improvements to the park and the Rotary Trail will be a benefit to the community for years to come.